Hi everyone, I'm Lindsey and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. We have a packed episode today, so let's dive right into it. Our Discord community is now boasting 3,648 members. This is the perfect time to join our thriving group where we explore the forefront of tech and innovation together. Over on social media, have you checked out our Farcaster channel yet? It's the best place to connect directly with our team and stay updated with all things Pinata. We've recently shared some exciting updates there, so be sure to join us and be a part of the conversation. This week for Powered by Pinata, we are highlighting EcoSapiens. Their mission is clear: scale climate action in ways that are easy, elegant, and impactful. EcoSapiens are revolutionizing how we think about carbon reduction by integrating it into our daily lives through culture and digital collectibles. These aren't just any collectibles, they can be activated in games, used in loyalty programs, or paired with physical products, all underpinned by climate-saving assets focused on natural carbon removal and reduction solutions. EcoSapiens sets a high standard in the Web3 space with their meticulous selection of carbon projects, adapting their strategies as the carbon capture economy evolves. I am thrilled to announce a brand new way to pay for your Pinata subscriptions. Understanding the growing interest in cryptocurrencies, we are introducing beta support for crypto payments for our annual plans. This allows you the flexibility to pay upfront with crypto while handling any additional overages with a credit card. This hybrid payment model is part of our commitment to providing maximum flexibility and convenience for our users, making it easier than ever to invest in your Pinata plan. Check it out! I'm so excited to see what you guys think. Last but not least, let's dive into adding Farcaster auth to Next.js. As Farcaster's popularity surges, the demand for more diverse clients has grown. While fetching and displaying casts is straightforward, writing to the Farcaster network through proper authentication presents a challenge. Our new Farcaster auth service simplifies this process by managing signer keys for you, making it secure and hassle-free to integrate into your Next.js projects. In our recent blog post, we'll walk you through setting this up and even sending your first Hello World cast within your newly built Farcaster client. And that's it for this episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for more updates from the Pinata team. Until next time, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye, y'all.